Hello, and welcome to Meditation Zen. In this meditation, we will practice releasing any thoughts, feelings, or attachments that are holding you back from living your best life. Letting go is not about giving up or losing something, but rather about freeing yourself from the burden of unnecessary suffering and opening yourself to new possibilities. To begin, find a comfortable position where you can relax and be undisturbed for the next 5 minutes. You can sit or lie down as long as you feel at ease. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, feeling your body and mind calm down with each exhale. Now, bring your attention to your heart center, the area in the middle of your chest. Imagine that there is a warm and soothing light in your heart, radiating love and compassion. Feel this light fill your chest with peace and joy. As you breathe in, imagine that this light is expanding and reaching every part of your body. As you breathe out, imagine that this light is cleansing and healing any tension or pain that you may have. Now, think of something that you want to let go of. It could be a person, a situation, a memory, a habit, or anything else that is causing you stress or unhappiness. Whatever it is, acknowledge it without judging or resisting it. Just observe it as it is, without trying to change or fix it. As you think of this thing, notice how it makes you feel in your body and mind. What emotions does it bring up? What thoughts does it trigger? What sensations do you feel in your muscles, organs, or skin? Be aware of these reactions, but don't attach to them. Just let them be there as part of your experience. Now, imagine that you are holding this thing in your hands as if it were a physical object. Feel its weight, shape, texture, and temperature. How does it feel to hold it? Is it heavy or light? Is it smooth or rough? Is it warm or cold? Now, ask yourself, do I need to hold on to this thing? Does it serve me in any way? Does it bring me joy or fulfillment? Does it align with my values and goals? Be honest with yourself and listen to your intuition. If the answer is no, then you are ready to let go of this thing. If the answer is yes, then you may need more time to process and heal before you can let go. Either way, there is no right or wrong answer. Just honor what feels true for you in this moment. If you are ready to let go, then take a deep breath in and say to yourself, I release this thing with love and gratitude. I thank it for the lessons it taught me, and I wish it well on its journey. I free myself from its influence, and I open myself to new opportunities. As you say these words, imagine that you are gently letting go of this thing from your hands. Watch as it floats away from you, becoming smaller and smaller until it disappears from your sight. Feel the space that it leaves behind in your hands, in your heart, and in your mind. Feel the lightness and freedom that comes with letting go. Take another deep breath in and out and smile to yourself. You have just completed a powerful act of self-care and transformation. You have just let go of something that was no longer serving you and made room for something better. Now, slowly bring your attention back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch your arms and legs, and open your eyes when you're ready. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for doing this meditation and for taking charge of your happiness. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this guided meditation for letting go. Have a wonderful day.